All right, today we got a 2019 Challenger Scat Pack 392 in here, and we're going to be doing some dyno testing with the Series II JLT Intake.
When dyno testing products, there's nothing more important than attempting to control all of the variables you can. That's why you do your testing on the same day. We're actually using HP tuners on this vehicle to log coolant temps, timing and fueling changes between pulls to ensure as many variables are the same as possible. This vehicle is bone stock. It's got 13,574 miles on it. And we'll be keeping an eye on all these parameters.
So here we've got the best stock run versus the best JLT run. Coolant temps the same. So we have apples to apples comparison. You can see just by simply throwing on this intake, down around 3,000, you're looking at about 4 or 5 horsepower, about 7-8 foot-pounds of torque. And it grows from there just as you keep going, 4,500. You're looking at, what do we got, 8 horsepower and 8 foot-pounds of torque. And as you go up in the RPM range, you get upwards into the 11, 12 horsepower and torque gain from just slapping on a JLT. So this is a true apples to apples comparison, all done on the same day. That's very important. All the dyno testing of any product needs to be done on the same day. Monitoring coolant temps, and there you go. Simple test.